Are you still holding on to faith that the Nigerian Central Bank or CBN will have a U-turn patterning the limits they impose on the Naira debit card? If yes, then it's high time you moved on, cause that is not happening anytime soon. But hey, relax, cause in this video I'll be showing you an app you can use for cardless arbitrage operations to earn at least 7,000 Naira daily. Before that, welcome to Barnabas Hustle. I'm Barnabas, and here on this channel I teach you how to make money from the comfort of your home in the easiest way. Don't forget to comment, ask questions, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto and arbitrage videos. So right before we get down to business, guys, below in the description you will find the link to my Telegram group. You can join, and then there you can ask questions and interact with people like you. Make sure to watch to the very end, because I'll be sharing with you tips on how to use this app effectively and efficiently. This app is called Eversend. Eversend is a multi-currency e-wallet that allows you to exchange, spend, and send money at the best possible rate. I'll be showing you in simple steps how to use this app, okay? Step 1 is to download. You can go to Google Play Store and then type Eversend app, you'd get it, and then sign up, then verify your KYC. I make emphasis on verifying KYC because that will give you access to use the entire features of the app, okay? Step 2 is to get your multi-currency account. Now, in as much as you can send money to more than 3 different countries using Eversend, I like sending to either Ghana or Kenya. The reason being that buying USDT and other currencies, cryptocurrencies now, from people in Ghana and Kenya is cheaper, and that is what arbitrage is all about, isn't it? Good. Step 3 is check Eversend rate for Kenyan shilling to Naira. As you can see here, it says 1 Kenyan shilling is equal to 4.97 Naira. What you need to do now is to go to Binance. Once you're here, change the fiat from Naira to KES, as Kenyan shilling. To know the rate or price of USDT, multiply 4.97, which is 1 Kenyan shilling, on Eversend by the rate they are selling here. So let's use this person for example. So this person is selling out 117.23 Kenyan shilling for 1 USDT. So it will be 4.97 times 117.23. Alright. So after multiplying the rate at which they are selling in Kenya to Eversend rate, we got 582.6. It means we've converted it now to Naira. It means 1 USDT in Kenya is 592.6 Naira. Right, so it means if you be buying from this person now, you'll be buying at 582.6 Naira for 1 USDT. Now step 4 is to go back to change your fiat back to NGN. You minus buying rates which you bought from Kenya from the selling rate which you'll be selling in Nigeria. So it will be 588.99 minus 562.6. Alright, so your answer will be 6.3569. It simply means you're making 6.3 Naira on every USDT. Alright, so let's multiply it by 100 to see how much you'll be making on 100 USDT. So as you can see, on 100 USDT you'll be making 635.69 Naira, and on 1,000 USDT you'll be making 6,356 Naira. So after this calculation, you transfer whatever amount you want to use to trade from your bank to Eversend. This is actually what makes it unlimited, because you're not using a bank card here. All you need to do is send from your local bank to Eversend. As you can see, I have my bank account at Eversend is my bank. For you that who is a starter, you have to click on request bank account and then you get yours. So but before doing that, look for a merchant that accepts payment through Eversend. Yes, go through the process, guys. Even if it takes asking the entire merchant here, you can do so by messaging them through WhatsApp. Get their number from Binance, you know. So this is a proof of my trades with some merchants who we've built relationship with over time. In fact, they contact or message me themselves, you know, if I want to buy USDT or not. You know, these are proofs on your screen showing you everything. So I'm not lying here, and these are my past transactions with them. Okay, so this is something I do myself. So guys, do not forget to join the Telegram group. You can have access to me right there to whatever question you want to ask, and I will respond.